Hi guys, nice and quiet in the house. My family went ice skating, so I think it's time to do some overdue unboxings. Here a very surprising package. Well, the content's not surprising. I believe this is another hippo. My daughter collects hippo figures. This one's from AliExpress. What's surprising is how well this is packaged. It wasn't overly expensive. But looking at the package, it seems the package is more expensive than the contents. Then we've got some silicone forms for making Dungeons and Dragons. What do you call them? Dice for throwing. There's like 7 different dice used in Dungeons and Dragons. If you've seen one of the previous episodes, I bought a set for my son with something like skulls inside and some other decorations. They're embedded in resin, but they were expensive as hell. Something like, what was it? $17, $18? So it's 80 Polish zloty. Although, look at the Dungeons and Dragons accessories in the stores here locally, it can cost even twice as much. So here we've got some silicone forms for making our own. We'll just need to get some crystal clear resin. Let's see what we come up with. And the last one, also a form, not exactly a form, a device for making Georgian Khinkali dumplings. You know, those dumplings that are like twisted on top. So we'll see what this is worth. I make regular Polish pierogies, but with dried California plums. And my kids just love them. But they always, I see when they eat the dough around. Here the proportion of the dough to the contents should be larger. So I think they'll love it. Well, nevertheless, let's start opening these packages. Starting with this one. Box inside the package. Just amazing. Look at this thick styrofoam. And on top of that, bubble wrap. Only thing I hate about styrofoam packaging is these styrofoam balls falling around because of static electricity. They stick to your clothing and everywhere else. This was like some solvent. So look at the package, I thought it's gonna be larger. So I got this dark brown one. I believe there were also offers with green ones and this light, like sand color. But I chose this one, well, mainly because it was the cheapest. The other offers were quite a bit more expensive. But really, really cute. My daughter will love it. So the Dungeons and Dragons forms, not much philosophy to them. Silicone form with a set of covers with a hole. So you have all sides with the numbers. You pour the resin with a small hole. Then you'll need to sand it down so it's nice and even. So we'll be testing these once I get the clear crystal resin. as for this device, not much philosophy. You put it on a table, you put a round piece of dough, put in the filling, then pull this up to nicely close it up, make you your Khinkali. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.